Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're getting a copying error or it's just slow on your PlayStation 4. Now to fix this, what you want to do is go up to where it says notifications, then press options, and then you can go to downloads. And what you want to do is press options in the downloads, and then just clear out and delete the issue that you're having where it says copying. Just delete that. So I already did that. So you want to press options, so then go to delete. And then you can go to select all, and then you can reprompt the update. Go to the game now, so let's say it's Minecraft. We can go to it and go to check for update, and we can reprompt the DLC or other game updates. Otherwise, if we deleted the game, if we do that, we want to go to library, then go to purchased, and then you can locate it under here if you go to purchase date, or you can just search for it. So we can go to here, then search the entire library, and then just type in your game. So if we go to Minecraft, we should be able to find it real easy. Here it is. Then you can just go to this section over here and you can re-download it. Sometimes just pausing the copying and then just resuming it also works. Then also, if you're away, you might want to go ahead and just close down any application. So if you go to the quick menu above sound and devices, you can close your games and the apps. Otherwise, you can go over the game. It should say close game. Then you can also try restoring the licenses for the games. If you downloaded them through the store, you can go to settings, and then go to account management, then go to restore licenses. This says if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. Just go right here, and it should take about 3 to 5 minutes to complete. And then also you could try activating primary PS4. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.